Prepare to push
Here
your
at
cart
the Menard,
forward as you step
Evandale,
off the walk.
Cincinnati, Ohio.
The walkway
And
will
these are
soon
very
be ending. Please be cautious as you exit. Prepare to push your cart forward as you step off the walk. The walkway will soon be ending. Please be cautious as you exit.
Walkalators, Thyssenkrupp Walkalators. That's interesting.
The walkway will
Very
soon be
interesting.
ending.
They're like
Please be cautious as you exit. Prepare to push your cart forward as you step off the walk.
like Walkalators. They're like I don't know Walkalators. That's what I'm behind me. We were just like Thyssenkrupp and their Walkalators are very interesting because you can just like put parts on them and stuff. And actually, when we get back down, I'm going to show you how to do that. So there's card stairs. First Menard store. First, actually, store that is a home store. My pop socket's falling off. That's amazing. There we go. Okay. I'm going to do the rest of the video with my pop socket in my pocket because it's falling off. It's amazing. I also got something all over my hands for these. Super excited for these. Now I'm going to show you how to do the cart. It's actually very simple. So the carts, they have magnetic strips on them that connects them to the moving walkways. So all you do is you just stick them in all right tight. That's the way it works. It's not like going to the Walmart next door. Because they do not have these magnetic poles on them. Here's a little barrier. And then you take the cart, and now for the wheels, it's like on. And your magnet pulls to the rest. And then your head just down. Alright. There's just something over here. Got a cart. And you're going. Your eyes just trying to go. I've rode these. Where's yours? I rode these 9 times now. But I just keep riding them and riding them and riding them and riding them. I'm talking to a camera and I'll probably get escorted out by security in a matter of minutes. I'll read it to the end. There's a speech and I'll let you all hear it. Walking backwards on the walkway. Should better view. Gotta walk back down the walkway. And right here. Hand on it. This is advised to be done two-handed, but
Prepare to push your cart forward as you step off the walk. The walkway will
on pause.